Hi, I'm Azizi Culpeper. I serve as the Administrative Assistant for the Empowering Families Initiative, and I'm also a Master of Divinity student at Campbell University Divinity School. This work, the Empowering Families for Spiritual Formation Initiative, is very important to me. I have 3 adult children of my own, 1 who is still in college and 2 who recently graduated. As a parent, I know how challenging it can be to talk with your children about their faith, especially when they don't see positive images on television or social media. The world isn't always kind, and that's why it's so important for children to know how to turn to their faith and how to build and maintain a personal relationship with God that can sustain them. My hope is that the tools and resources we share will make a lasting and meaningful impact on the families we serve. Be empowered.